Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining this information session. So this is basically about the introduction about the Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering, and main focus is on the Hong Kong PhD fellowship. So basically, we are looking for the recruitment for the PhD fellowship, which is due in on 1st of December. So we'd like to discuss about the uh, good things and like to advertise the university and the department. So here I will discuss first. We have uh, four talks. So the first I will discuss about the. I will tell you guys about the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, and then we will discuss about the ECE department, and also we will give you some brief discussions about the Hong Kong PhD fellowship. And then here we have a Professor Levent. He will be talking about his research, and we also have Professor Christian. He will be also discussing about his research at EC Department of Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. So welcome all of you. I'm Abhishek Srivastava, and let me give you a brief introduction about the Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. So the HKUST was founded in 1991. So we are a very young university, and if you look at the pictures over here, it's a beautiful campus by the bay, and it looks beautiful. We have a hill, we have sea, and the overall landscape is very beautiful here. So it was, as I said, it was founded in 1991. We have International Research University, leading the advanced science and technologies. We have 5 schools, 19 departments, including science, engineering, business, management, humanity, and social science, and a FIT graduate school. We have total around 13,000 plus students, where 9,000 students are UG undergrads and 4,000 plus students are postgraduate. And we have around 530 academic faculties for a School of Engineering, where our Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering is located. We have 6 departments, including 160 plus regular faculty, and we have around 5,000 plus students in the School of Engineering here. So if you look at the faculty profile, so we have world-class faculty members of around 48 faculty in the Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering. We have around 30 fellows, 30 IEEE fellows, and also fellows from different societies such as NAI, Royal Society of Chemical Society, also the Optical Society of America, SPIE, SID, and many. So about more than 50% department faculty is a fellow from different societies. So IEEE fellows, basically we are among the highest outside the North America, right? So this is a very prestigious fellowship. Extremely active in research and publication. We publish over 300 papers every year and 400 conference paper per year. We also have very good patent profile. We hold around 300 plus patents. Most of them are granted already, and some of them are in progress. We have 45 editors for of major journals, research journals, which represents our quality, and we are very active in the entrepreneurship things. We have so many startup companies from the department, more than 30 startups. I will just give you a brief introduction a little later. This is a faculty profile, so you can see we are very active in the biomedical engineering, control and robotic system, data science and AI, integrated circuit and systems, microelectronics, photonics, and recently we are developing quantum engineering area, which is going to be very, very important, and we will start our first course in the next year. Wireless communication and networking, here we have very strong faculty profile, and we also have some joint faculty and visiting faculties together with some joint faculties with other department and some faculties with the Guangzhou campus. So this is overall look what faculty profile looks by area of research. And here we have a list of faculties involved in different areas. I think I will skip this one, but this information is already available on the department website. If you are interested, you can take a look there, or you can also write an email to me directly. All right. So if we just to highlight some of the key research achievements in the last few years. So Professor Kemi Lau, she is working in the microbiology, and she has been awarded as the first ever woman winner of IET J.J. Thompson Medal in electronics, which is all very, very prestigious. And then we have Professor Jiong Fang. He is developing the bionic eye, which can be used to as a eye, and it has an additional added advantage of being curved sensor, so you can have very large field of view. We during COVID, our faculty was very active. We developed various kind of tools on the software to understand exactly how to design the vaccine depending on their protein profile and other profiles available to us using the data science and analysis system. We also have we also developed this autonomous vehicle, which helped a lot in to fight in the COVID crisis. Like this particular vehicle was used in Zhejiang province for the food delivery during the COVID. We have Professor Jin Shangling. He has developed so many startups, and many of them are already unicorn, right? So one of the most major contribution from his lab is DJI, which is the biggest drone company nowadays. We are very vibrant. We have very, very vibrant entrepreneurship culture. So we have a lot of technologies. You can see some of them are listed here. DJI, Gondong Sino Display, and many of those are already, some of them are already unicorn, and some of them are about to be unicorn. So that is very important showcase we have. So basically, the Google has been listed recently this year, right? And DJI is already very big. Okay. So this is overall overview of the startup companies, what has been started from the ECE department of HKUST. So we have world-class students. So overall, like we have 280, around 280 plus is top-notch PhD students that find positions in academia in the leading universities and the industries as well. So approximately 40 graduate students per year, they get very good academics in the highly ranked universities or are in the leading industries, leading positions. We have around 230 students, master students, that they find excellent job in the industry. 50 MPhil, 2 years. This is a 2 years research program, basically. So approximately 25 graduates per year, and 180 MSc, that is 1 year teaching 1 year program, which has around 180 graduates per year. So over 500 students in the B in engineering, electronic engineering, and computer engineering. So it's a syllabus. The curriculum is very very attractive, and we have in this program we have approximately 230 students graduating per year. So if you look at where they go for the job, so in the case of academia, you can see all the leading universities like CUS, Chinese University of Hong Kong, University of Texas in US, UCL UK, King's College UK, Liverpool. So all these leading universities where our students go find a job in the after graduating from here. And also in the industry, we have Astri, we have Lenovo, Salmon Stack, Apple. Actually, Apple. We also got one student in Apple last year in Tech LCD. So there are so many leading industries around here where our student find a job. All right. So talking about the research facilities, what we have some of the leading research facilities available for us. So here you can see Huawei lab here, HKUST Qualcomm lab, Sinling HKUST Joint Lab, State Key Lab on the Advanced Display and Optoelectronics, the Social Media Lab, Wireless Communication Lab, Nanofabrication Facilities, which is a central facility is available for everybody. Central Center for Display Research, which is basically devoted for the research in the display. Device characterization testing facilities, IC Integrated Power Electronics Lab, VLSI Design Teaching Lab, Signal Processing and Communication Lab, FIP Lab, Shannon and Kirchhoff Lab. This is basically the teaching lab. And then Digital Electronics and Microprocessing Lab, Automatic Control Lab, and Center for Wireless Information Technology, Photonic Technology Center, and Human Language Technology Center. So this is a kind of a very wide research facilities we have, and these are kind of world-class research facilities on campus. All right, so for the PhD admission, let's talk about. So we basically usually enroll around 70 to 80 students per year in our PhD program, and we have also PhD EAS, which is basically early admission scheme, where we recruit students, the top students from various part of the world, but most of the time, right now we are recruiting from mainland China. So each year, around 20 to 25 students come to ECE through the PhD EAS scheme, and the profile, their profile is like the top 10 in their home department, more than 50%, like in top 3 in their home department. So that is the profile. What kind of students we enroll during this PhD EAS scheme. And in addition to the PhD EAS scheme, we also have HKPFS. So HKPFS is a program run by Hong Kong government. So they offer additional very attractive fellowship, which is around 26,600 per month, and this is basically 1 to 3 years, and then the 4th year is basically supported by HKUST, right? So, and then the fellow also received travel grant for 13,000 per year, 30,000 some plus 3 for every year, so for 3 years, and then the 4th year it is supported by UST. And in addition to that, HKUST offer HKUST Excellent Research Award, which worth around $40,000 on the first upon the year 1 entry. And for the accommodation, it is guaranteed from the university. So we for the first 2 years, the studies at the HKUST, it is provided by the HKUST. So the deadline, talking about the deadline for this, is on December 1st, 2024. So if you want to have more information about it, you can visit this website. And if you want to apply for this very attractive fellowship, you need to find out the supervisor and then submit your application stating your PhD application together with your HKPFS application to the department as soon as possible, right? So because the 1st December is the external deadline, so we will start internal review by this week. So if you can submit your application earlier, then you will it will be better. All right. So the summary: ECE is the world top 30 department in the world. So we have world-class faculty with diverse international background, topmost PhD students, world-class research facilities, and we are actively engaged in frontier research with world-class publication and entrepreneurship. Many. We also make a very big impact through the startups and the other things, right? So with this, let me conclude my presentation about the ECE introduction, and now I pass this dice to Professor Levent. He will be talking about his area of research, right? Professor Levent, would please share your screen.